Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that many aspiring coders struggle with, the decision of which programming language to learn first. Now, while the tech world offers a lot of coding languages, we're going to make a case for something different, learning only one coding language first. And big question is, do you really need to learn multi-programming languages or just one programming language to land you a job? And at the end of the video, I will give you one important tip to get you your dream job. So let's get rolling. When we talk about programming languages, there are front-end and back-end programming languages. I have already made a video about front-end and back-end programming languages. If you did not watch that yet, please check out that video. I have gave link down in description, so you will have better understanding to select your first programming language. Now, let's get on the road. When you're just starting your coding journey and you're faced with a seemingly endless list of programming languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, C, Swift, Ruby, and the list goes on, it can be overwhelming, right? Well, that's where our journey begins. With so many choices, it's easy to fall into the trap of trying to learn them all at once. But is that really the best approach? Mastering a programming language requires time, practice, and dedication. Instead of spreading yourself thin, why not focus on one language and truly master it? So what's the take? And the answer is, it's not about the quantity, but the quality of your understanding and skill in that language. By committing to one language, you can explore deeper into its shades without getting distracted by the plenty of options. It's like having a clear path through a dense forest instead of trying to navigate multiple trails at once. Another advantage of mastering one language first is the boost in confidence it provides. Many successful developers' way of success is to mastering one language before branching out. As you become proficient in one language, you'll find it easier to pick up additional languages in the future. It's like riding a bike once you've got the balance. Switching bikes becomes a breeze. Let's talk real world applications. Employers often seek developers with expertise in a particular language. By becoming proficient in one language, you increase your chances of landing that dream job. Many employers value specialists who can bring deep knowledge and problem-solving skills to the table. In my personal experience, when you are in the technical interview round, most of the interviewers do not care which programming language you use to solve that problem. All they care about is how you're going to solve that problem and what is your logic. And it's all coming with practice and focusing on one thing. Mastering one language sets you apart in a competitive job market. Learning to code can be challenging, and trying to juggle multiple languages at once can lead to frustration and burnout. Mastering one language allows you to enjoy the learning process and celebrate your victories along the way. So, there you have it, the case for learning only one coding language first. While the tech world may be vast and diverse, starting with a single language can be the key to unlocking a world of opportunities. And to get a dream job, only one language basic knowledge, not enough. And now I will tell you that tip to get your dream job. When you feel confidence in coding skill, your next move should be trying to solve problem and create projects. Completing projects and solving challenges in a single language helps you gain a sense of accomplishment. For that, you can explore LeetCode, HackerRank, and Codeforces, etc. You must start with basic problem and make your way up. This is the best practice you can get for job interview. And most of the big companies like Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft have asked so many questions from these platforms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more content and ring the bell to stay updated. Let me know in the comments which coding language you've chosen to master first and why. Until next time, happy coding.